William Wagner here at the Santa Barbara County Courthouse Annex in the city of Santa Barbara. I submitted my media request more than a week ago, and the judge still didn't approve it. And it was interesting, he then dealt with it just seconds before I came in, but after I just came in the door 5 seconds later, he would not address it. And so the bailiff instructed me not to tape, but it would have been a very interesting tape because it's clear Judge Clifford Anderson doesn't like Attorney Darryl GENIS fighting so hard on the Varela case. I don't know who this young lady Varela is or why the district attorney is sending emails to the Attorney General that they will not share under discovery rules with Darryl GENIS. But what is clear to me, William Wagner, who's been to 500 such hearings and court trials, is something is wrong in this courtroom, number 10 of Clifford Anderson. Today, I heard Darryl GENIS, the attorney, the DUI attorney, argued double jeopardy, res judicata in many defenses, all of which the judge just pushed them all aside and said, I think we have sufficient evidence, which was shocking to me, to set an OST, order to show cause, why defense attorney Darryl GENIS should not be held in contempt. So that was set for December 3rd. And this matter was continued only until November 17th. And it's interesting to me because now Darryl GENIS has a gun pointing at his head. If he doesn't drop and lose the Varela case and let the district attorney win, come December 3rd, they're going to put him in a courtroom of Judge Herman, who we know hangs out with the people from the Attorney General's office. He was just up there for a big conference in San Francisco just last weekend. They're going to let Judge Herman hose Attorney Darryl GENIS down for fighting strongly in the defense of his client, this Miss Varela, who I've still never met, and can't imagine why the district attorney has such a hard-on to win this case. There's obviously something going on behind closed doors, and we're not being told the whole story. But why would a district attorney in Santa Barbara even send emails to the Attorney General, much less then refuse to give them in discovery to Darryl GENIS, the defense attorney for this Varela DUI? Something is weird and peculiar. And on top of that, I was delayed just enough time going through security just so I would not get in time when the Judge Anderson dealt with the media request. Isn't that interesting? And they held me and wanted to see my camera, open it up. I've never gone through this kind of fuss before. Something is up, something's not right. William Wagner, November 3rd, 2014 in Santa Barbara. For On Second Thought, and for all you people, if you ever wondered, it strikes me that the district attorney's office has puppet strings on that judge, Clifford Anderson, as well as probably several other judges. And it seemed to me really clear that at the same time, Darryl GENIS is arguing strongly that he should be given his request, and there should be an order to show cause why they should not hold the prosecutors in defense, the prosecutors in contempt. They're not doing it. It seems to me to be more than sufficient evidence has been presented by Darryl GENIS to hold the district attorney's office in contempt and grant Darryl GENIS his attorney's fees. And it more and more appears as if the judge is not neutral, the Attorney General's office is not neutral, but there's a whole side of the justice system that works against the people. And it makes me wonder if the elections even matter. We don't even have anybody often run against judges anymore, even though they're supposedly elected in California. William Wagner, on second thought. See you. This is the judge's private parking entrance for the courthouse. Santa Barbara County Courthouse grounds covers an entire city block in the very expensive city of Santa Barbara.